Welcome to the quick introduction to local SEO. In this video, we will cover what local SEO is, why it matters, and how it can help business grow locally. Let's get started. The first is, what is local SEO? Local SEO focuses on optimizing your website and online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. Number two, local SEO helps business appear in local search results on Google. This is especially important for businesses that rely on nearby customers. This is your whole scenario. This is the foot traffic. This is the community engagement. Next is the customer attraction. Next, visibility. So why local SEO matter? Local SEO ensures your business shows up when people search for services you offer, especially in your area. Key benefits of local SEO. Number one, increased visibility. More chances for your business to be found locally. Number two, mobile optimization. Now, most local searches happen on mobile devices. Then number three, customer trust. Appearing in local searches builds. The next part is how Google dominates local rankings. Google uses several factors to rank local businesses, including Google My Business profile, relevance of your website content up to local searches, review and ratings, local backlinks and citations. The next part is how to optimize for local SEO. Step 1. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing or Google Business profile. Step 2. Use local keywords, include your city, neighborhood, and services. Step number 3. Get local reviews and testimonials. Step number 4. Optimize your website for local search, add local content, local meta tags, etc. Then step number 5. Build local backlinks from relevant websites. Next section is local SEO versus traditional SEO. A difference between local SEO versus traditional SEO. Local SEO focuses especially on the local audience, while traditional SEO aims for a broader, national or global reach. Both are important, but local SEO is essential for small businesses that need to attract customers in their area. The next part is common local SEO mistakes to avoid. Many business owners mistake local SEO mistake. They cannot avoid this mistake. So number one mistake is ignoring Google My Business updates. Number two, using irrelevant local keywords. Number three, forgetting to ask for customer reviews. Then number four, inconsistent business information, name, address, phone number. This is the full scenario of ongoing local SEO process. So this is the compare SEO strategies for local and global SEO. So local SEO and global SEO. Local SEO, target local searches. Then global SEO, global ranking focus. Local SEO, Google My Business. Global SEO or regular SEO, keyword optimization. Local SEO, local pack visibility. Regular SEO, backlink strategy. Local SEO, map consistency. Local visibility focus, local ranking improvement. And global SEO, other hand, global SEO, backlink strategy, content strategy, global visibility focus, global ranking improvement. Then the funnel, the local SEO success funnel. Customer search. Customers are queries your product, your business information, or your business about your business. Let's example, you have a HBSC company. Customers are query on Google about HBSC services near me or HBSC services in city. Then optimized website are ranked on Google. Search result appearance rank on your site if your site is optimized for local SEO. Then increased calls if your site rank here, rank on Google, and people are find your website in the top of the Google and also local Google Maps. Then people are calling to your website or your GBP profile, then sales growth, enhance visibility. So local SEO optimization checklist for any local businesses. Mobile friendly design, optimize for voice search, consistent nav, build local citations, optimized website, Google My Business setup. This is all the local SEO optimization checklist. Ensure uh, all these checklists are included in your local SEO strategy plan. The next part is local SEO strategy. The first thing you should know or you should implement services is Google My Business setup. Setting up and optimizing Google My Business profile for local visibility. And next part are consistent map, ensuring consistent business information across all online platforms. The next part is local keyword optimization, optimizing website content with relevant local keywords. The next part is local citation and reviews, building local citations and encourage customer reviews. Then mobile-friendly design, ensuring your website is accessible and user-friendly on mobile devices. The next part, an important part, voice search optimization. Optimizing website for voice search queries. This all the local SEO strategy or local SEO implementation plan you can implement in your local SEO strategy for both your business. This is the conclusion part. Now that you understand the basics of local SEO, it's time to take action and optimize your business for local searches. Start by claiming your Google My Business profile and focusing on local content. If you have any questions or need help with local SEO, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching the video.